According to the latest long-term projection, it is anticipated that the price of Bitcoin Cash will reach $300 by the midpoint of 2023, followed by a further increase to $500 by the midpoint of 2024. Subsequently, it is predicted that Bitcoin Cash will ascend to $1,000 within the year 2027. The purpose of this analysis is to provide a forecast of the monetary worth of Bitcoin for the years 2023 and 2024. The initial price of Bitcoin money in 2023 was recorded at 96.35. As of now, the exchange rate for Bitcoin money is at 236.24, indicating a price increase of 145 since the beginning of the year. The projected value of Bitcoin by the conclusion of 2023 is anticipated to be 467 units of currency, with a year-to-year comparison. According to the forecast, the Bitcoin price is expected to experience an increase of 385 units from the current value until the end of the current year. Additionally, in the first half of 2024, the price is projected to reach 726 units, followed by a decrease of 82 units in the latter half, resulting in a year-end closing price of 644 units. This represents a net increase of 170.23 units compared to the current price. The aforementioned prediction pertains to the near future, namely the upcoming days and months. On Thursday, August 10th, the value of the currency was $238. On the date of Friday, August 11th, $239, on Saturday, August 12th, 2401, on the 6th day of August in the year 242, which fell on a Sunday, on Monday, August 14th, 244, on Tuesday, August 8th, 245, on the 9th of August, in the year 247, which fell on a Wednesday, on Thursday, August 10th, 248, on August 15th, 256, on September 15th, 303, an event of significance occurred. On October 15th, 349, on November 15th, 397, an event of significance occurred. On December 15th, 443, an event of significance occurred. On January 15th, the amount of $488 was recorded. The period between 2025 and 2029 is anticipated to witness a substantial surge in the value of Bitcoin. The value of Bitcoin had a significant increase, rising from 644 to 1,301, representing a 102% growth. According to projections, the value of Bitcoin is expected to commence at 644 in the year 2025, afterwards experiencing a significant surge to reach 822 within the first 6 months of the aforementioned year. Furthermore, it is anticipated that Bitcoin will conclude the year 2025 at a value of 856, indicating a noteworthy increase of 262 units from the present value. In the projected timeframe of 2030 to 2034, it is anticipated that the value of Bitcoin would see an upward trajectory, with an estimated increase from 1,301 to 1,877, representing a positive growth of 44%. The value of Bitcoin is projected to commence at $1,301 in the year 2030, then seeing an upward surge to $1,404 within the first half of the year. By the end of 2030, it is expected to reach $1,508. Indicating a net increase of $538 from the current value. The projected value of Bitcoin in the years 2023 to 2024 is of interest. In 2023, the initial cost of Bitcoin was recorded at 96.35. As of today, Bitcoin is being traded at 251.71, indicating an increase of 161% from the beginning of the year. Based on these trends, it is estimated that the value of Bitcoin will reach 496 by the end of 2023. According to the data provided, there is an annual increase of 415 units in the Bitcoin currency. Furthermore, it is projected that at the conclusion of the current year, there will be an additional increase of 97 units in the first half of 2024. However, in the latter part of 2024, the Bitcoin currency is expected to experience a decrease of 35 units, resulting in a closing value of 418 units. This closing value represents a positive deviation of 66 units from the current cost. The projected financial outlook for Bitcoin from 2025 to 2029 indicates a potential increase in value over this 5-year period. The value of Bitcoin had a significant increase, rising from 418 to 699, representing a 67% upward movement. The value of Bitcoin is projected to commence at 418 in the year 2025, afterwards seeing a surge to 495 throughout the first 6 months of the year. By the end of 2025, it is anticipated to reach 466, indicating a net increase of 85 units from the present value. According to projections for the period spanning from 2030 to 2034, it is anticipated that the value of Bitcoin will experience a significant increase, rising from 699 to 1327, representing a positive growth of 90%. The value of Bitcoin is projected to commence at $699 in the year 2030, then seeing a significant surge to $772 within the initial 6 months. By the end of 2030, it is anticipated to reach $847, reflecting a remarkable increase of 236% compared to its present value. 7/1/2023, the anticipated monetary worth of Bitcoin in the years 2023 to 2024. The initial price of Bitcoin money in 2023 was recorded at 96.35. As of now, the exchange rate for Bitcoin money is at 294.55, indicating a significant increase of 206 units from the beginning of the year. The projected value of Bitcoin at the conclusion of 2023 is estimated to be 668 units, with a year-to-year increase of 593 units. Additionally, there is an expected increase of 127 units in the first half of 2024. However, the value of Bitcoin is anticipated to decline to 611 units in the latter part of 2024, resulting in a decrease of 47 units. Ultimately, the year-end value is projected to be 564 units, which represents a 91-unit increase compared to the current value. The period from 2025 to 2029 is anticipated to witness a growth in the value of Bitcoin. The projected price of Bitcoin is expected to increase from 564 to 943, representing